Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Students, in my last lecture we were looking exercise 4.1. We have completed question number 3 and 4. Now today we are going to start question number 5. Convert the following ratios into the percentage. We are given some ratio. Now question number 5, first one, 15:25 we are given. We have to convert into the percentage. We will write this ratio in the fraction form, 15/25. Let's see very well. Here we have in denominator 25. We have to convert this 25 into 100. So we will write like this, 15/25. To converting the 25, we will take the table of 25 4 times. 25 4s are 100. You will get the same multiplication with the numerator also. You will get here 15 4s are 60. 25 4s are 100. You will get here 60%. It's your answer. 15/25. We got here answer 60%. Now see next question. Second one, 47:50. 47/50. Same thing, 50 multiplied by 2, same thing in numerator. 52s are, you will get the 100. Now here multiplication, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9. 94/100 will get 94%. Next, see the fourth one very well. 546/600. Here already in fraction form. So the 546/600 we will divide by 6 1s are 6. We will reduce this fraction. We are given this fraction in higher form, so we will reduce it. To convert into the percentage, 6 1s are 6, you will get the 00, 6 9s are 54, 6 1s are 6. You will get here 91/100, means 91%. Like this you have to solve. Now come to the question number 6.1. The ratio of ages of Abha and her mother. Two persons are there, Abha, child, and mother. Their ages ratio means in the simplest form we are given 2:5. At the time of Abha's birth, her mother's age was 27. Find the present ages of Abha and her mother. So we will write here, given the 2:5 both the ages Abha and mother. So we will suppose let the Abha's present age be 2 means 2x, and the mother's present age be 5x. Both are in years, 2 years and 5 years. You know very well, at the time of birth, suppose Abha's age is now 40 and mother 10, and mother age is the 40 years. Abha's age is 10 years and mother's age is the 40 years. At the time of birth of Abha's, you will get the difference between the mother and child, means from mother will subtract the age of child, then you will get the 30. This is the age of mother at the time of birth. Same to here, we are given 27 years age was the mother. When at the time of Abha's birth, means we have the present age of mother 5x, then we will subtract the present age of Abha's from mother, then you will get the 27 years of mother's age. If we will subtract from mother to the Abha, okay, you will get the at the time of birth the age of mother 27. Now continue from 5x minus 2x, you will get here 3x equal to 27. x is equal to 27 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. You will get the x is equal to 9. We got the value of x. It is a common multiple or divisor. So here we'll write the Abhas present age. The Abhas present age. It was there, we have taken 2x, means 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18 years. Now the mother's present age is the 5x, 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. Now both the ages we got here. The Abhas age is the 18 years and mother's age the 45. Now continue the next one, the seventh one. What we are given? The present ages of Vatsala and Sara. What we are given? The present age of Vatsala and Sara. Two persons are here in question number 7, Vatsala and Sara. Both the present ages we are given. How much? 14 and 10 years. The 14 years, Vatsala's present age is the 14 years and Sara age given via 10 years. Okay, both the ages we have given. After how many years? After means plus. After how many years their ages will become 5:4. We don't know how many years after their ages will be there. So we'll suppose let after x year their ages become how much? 4 is to how much? The ratio is given 5:4, become 5:4. Now see very well, Vatsala is the 14 and 10 years is the age of Sara. Both the ratios we have taken in the fraction form. After x years means we will add the x in both the ages. Then it will be increase the ratio. How much? We are given the ratio of the means after how many years? So we have taken after x years. Then after x years the s will become the 5/4, 5:4 in the form of ratio. Okay, you got here? See very well, we have taken once more. See very well here, after x years we have taken, so we'll add the x in both the edges. The edges will add after x age, so we'll add in the both the edges 14 and 10. Then the edges will be the ratio of the edges will become more, that will be 5/4. Now have the cross multiplication to get the value of x. Have the cross multiplication. Now see, 4 is multiplied by 14 plus x, 5 multiplied by 10 plus x. See here, 14 4s are 56, 4x, 5 10s are 50, 5x. 5x, bring the 4x right side, you will get the minus 4x, 56 plus 50, bring the left side minus 50, 56 minus 50, you will get the 6. Have your x. We got the value of x, how much? 6. So therefore, after 6 years, their ages ratio will become 5:4. So you will write the answer after 6 years. Their ages become 5:4. Okay, everyone got this one? Now the next question is also very easy, which is related with the same question number 7 with the related the ages. You can do. Okay, inshallah we'll continue next time exercise 4.2. If you have any doubts, you can ask me by calling. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.